morning, everyone. A very warm welcome to the 76th Republic Day celebrations here at the serene Surbhi ground, Prashanti Kutiram. Today, as we celebrate the spirit of our nation, let us soak in the sense of unity, courage, and progress. I am Manvi, your host for this joyous occasion, and I promise to make this morning as vibrant as our tricolor. Let us begin with an auspicious start, shall we? Before we proceed, it is my privilege to welcome our esteemed chief guest, Dr. B.N. Gangadhar, Chairman of the National Medical Commission, New Delhi. So we are honored by your presence. May I now request you to kindly come forward to hoist the national flag.
भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविण उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे भारत माता की वंदे वंदे
बोलो भारत माता की, महात्मा गांधी जी की, सुभाष चंद्र बोस जी की, भगत सिंह जी की, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल की, डॉक्टर B.R. अम्बेडकर जी की, वंदे मातरम. What a wonderful way to start a celebration filled with pride and patriotism. To officially welcome you all and share his thoughts, may I invite Honorable Professor M.K. Sridhar, Pro-Vice Chancellor of S. Vyasa, to deliver the welcome address. Sir, the stage is all yours.
Namaste Sabhavadibhyascha Asya Shashti Saptati Ganatantra Rajyotsavasya Sandarbhe Shubhavasare Sarvesham Krute Hardam Swagatam Vyaharami. On this wonderful occasion when the entire India is celebrating the 76th Republic Day celebrations, I am most honored to invite you all for this celebrations from our S. Vyasa Deemed to be University. At the outset, we have the distinguished neuroscientist, neurobiologist, neuropsychologist of world fame, Dr. B.N. Gangadhar sir. Dr. B.N. Gangadhar obtained his MD in 1981 from the National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences, Bangalore, a premier psychiatric institute in India. He has been a faculty in the same institute since then. He was a professor, head of the department, and also Professor Emeritus of the NIMHANS. Apart from, he was the director of the NIMHANS. He was also the medical superintendent of NIMHANS Hospital till January 2010. He has published over 240 scientific articles, research articles in peer-reviewed national and international journals. His research areas include ECT, RTMS, ECT, electroconvulsion therapy, RTMS, repetitive transcranial magnetic system, and yoga, and for which he has a patent. Schizophrenia and community psychiatry. He heads an advanced center of yoga, therapy at NIMHANS. He was, in fact, when he was the director of the NIMHANS and had the Department of Psychiatry, he initiated and started the Department of Yoga in NIMHANS with the financial assistance from Department of Science and Technology to the tune of 5 CR. He has coordinated the development and design of a patented indigenous ECT machine. He has received the prestigious Sir C.V. Raman Award in 1999 and the B.C. Roy Award in 2010 by the Karnataka government.
ये दे इसको दे
He is also the recipient of the 4th highest civilian award given by Government of India, Padma Shri, in 2022. He is also the Fellow of National Academy of Medical Sciences and he has the honorary Doctorate of Science from SVSR Yoga Deemed to be University. He has guided 4 PhDs and nearly 20 MD dissertations. Dr. Gangadhar is the Associate Editor of Acta Psychiatrica Scandinavica and a co-editor for the Asian Journal of Psychiatry. He has traveled all over the world on scientific agendas, who sits on various committees, and currently he is the chairman of the National Medical Council and has served in organizations like WHO. He was also the dean of our Division of Yoga and Life Sciences for a long time of our SVSR Yoga University. Apart from, he was also the Academic Council member for a long time. We are most honored and privileged to have such a highly distinguished neuroscientist, neurobiologist, neuropsychologist, and a great administrator of the national and international award who has traveled all over the world, who has made significant contribution to this domain, to be our chief guest for the 76th annual Republic Day celebrations. We also have our new Chancellor, Professor K. Subramanianji, who is 83 years young, who is a great philosopher, scholar in philosophy and authority on Swami Vivekananda, Sri Ramakrishna and Ma Sharda Devi. He was the Pro-Chancellor, advisor to the Honorable Chancellor of our university, who sits on various committees, including that of the Padma Committee and also UPSC, who has trained a number of IAS, IPS officers in the country. He has a number of awards, and his publication, he continues to write even now, day in and day out. He has 88 publications to his credit. So I'm most honored to invite him for this Republic Day celebrations. We have our Honorable Pro-Chancellor, Dr. B.R. Ramakrishna, an internationally renowned Ayurveda and Yoga specialist who heads our Sushruta Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital as its director. I welcome him. I also welcome our Dr. Ramchandra Bhattji, a creative thinker, Sanskritist, a wonderful scholar, and the director of our VMAC and VTR, who travels all over the world, India, time and again, and all over the world. He is also visiting professor at the Ireland University, presented papers in a number of seminars globally, and he also is the Secretary General of the World Gurukula System. I invite Dr. Professor Ramchandra Bhattji. I invite our Honorable Dynamic Registrar, Shivashankar Sahiji, who is an authority on physics and theoretical physics, has done fundamental research for which he is almost soon to get a patent on radio nuclear imaging. I invite all our principals of our schools, Dr. Vikas Rawatji of the School of Yoga. Then we have Dr. Apas Savoji from the School of Naturopathy Yoga and Naturopathy Medicine. We have School of Physiotherapy, Dr. Mangalvede is here, and also Principal of Sushruta Ayurvedic College and Medical Hospital, Dr. Alok Raiji. We have the Director for the Code Center for Distance Education, Dr. Natesh Babu, and the Control of Examinations, Dr. Soni Kumari, our dynamic Deputy Registrar, Vaidya, Vasudev Vaidya, all the faculty members and the non-teaching staff of our S. Vyasa deemed to be university, Sushruta Ayurvedic Medical College, and also our nursing college and all other institutions, apart from the Anveshana, the director, joint director, Dr. Ramesh. And today morning I received a message, and Dr. Guruji has sent his message along with Dr. Dayanand Swamiji, who are in Delhi meeting top brass to bring in a lot of funds to our university in the next academic year, and also our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Manjunath Sharmaji. On this occasion, I welcome all the students, the staff, the invitees for this wonderful 76th Republic Day celebrations, which is being celebrated with all joy, happiness all over India and elsewhere in all the places. On this occasion, we offer our great tributes to our soldiers who are serving 24/7, especially in such places as Siachen Glacier at a height of 21,500, and protecting our borders so that we are safe in Bangalore and India. So on this occasion, I'm most honored and privileged to welcome you all, apart from our wonderful musical team, which has offered the patriotic songs and which is going to offer the patriotic songs, and let that patriotism and self-confidence
जब जियो दिया मेरे भारत ने मेरे भारत ने दुनिया को तब गिनती आई, तारों की भाषा भारत ने दुनिया को पहले सिखलाई, देता न दशमलव भारत को चांद पे जाना मुश्किल था, धरती और चांद की दूरी का अंदाजा लगाना मुश्किल था, सभ्यता जहाँ पहले आई, सभ्यता जहाँ पहले आई, पहले जन्मी है जहाँ पे कला, अपना भारत वो भारत है जिसके पीछे संसार चला और आगे बढ़ा, यूं आगे बढ़ा बढ़ता ही गया, भगवान करे ये और बढ़े, बढ़ता ही रहे और फूले फले, बढ़ता ही रहे और फूले फले। चुप क्यों हो गए? और सुनाओ। है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा, है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा, मैं गीत वहाँ के गाता हूँ, भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ, भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ, है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा। काले गोरे का भेद नहीं, हर दिल से हमारा नाता है, कुछ और नाता हो हमको, हमें प्यार निभाना आता है, जिसे मान चुकी सारी दुनिया, जिसे मान चुकी सारी दुनिया, मैं बात वही दोहराता हूँ, भारत का रहने सुनाता हूँ, भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ, है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा। जीते हो किसी ने देश तो क्या, हमने तो दिलों को जीता है। जहाँ राम अभी तक है नर में, नारी में अभी तक सीता है। इतने पावन है लोग जहाँ, इतने पावन है लोग जहाँ, मैं नित नित शीश झुकाता हूँ। भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ, भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ, है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा। इतनी ममता नदियों को भी जहाँ माता कह के बुलाते हैं। इतना आदर इंसान तो क्या, पत्थर भी पूजे जाते हैं। इस धरती पे मैंने जन्म लिया, इस धरती पे मैंने जन्म लिया, ये सोच के मैं इतराता हूँ। भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ, भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ, है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा। है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा, मैं गीत वहाँ के गाता हूँ। भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ, भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ, भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद।
भारत माता की जय, वंदे मातरम।
That was truly stirring. Music has a unique way of igniting our patriotic spirit. Moving forward, it's time to hear from the stalwarts who guide us. Please join me in welcoming Honorable Dr. B.R. Ramakrishna, Pro-Chancellor of S. Vyasa, to address us.
भारत माता की
जय।
My dear young friends, please rise. Not only raising the voice, let us express our gratitude and salutes to the soldiers who are safeguarding us. Please rise. Get up. Let us go with 30 seconds of clapping, so that clapping should reach the soldiers who are on the glaciers. Come on. Only 5 seconds over. Continue, please. आवाज नहीं आ रहा है. जोर से करो, प्यार से करो, दिल खोल के करो. अभी 5 सेकंड्स बाकी है. प्लीज सिट डाउन, प्लीज सिट डाउन. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಸೀನರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಘನವತ್ತ ಚಾನ್ಸಲರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಸುಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣ್ಯಂ ಜಿ, ಇಂದಿನ ಈ 76ನೇ ಗಣರಾಜ್ಯ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವದ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ BN ಗಂಗಾಧರ್ ಜಿ ಹಾಗೂ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಸೀನರಾಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಗುರುವರ್ಯರಾದಂತಹ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ರಾಮಚಂದ್ರ ಭಟ್ ಜಿ, MK ಶ್ರೀಧರ್ ಸರ್, ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾರ್ ಶಿವಶಂಕರ್ ಸಾಯಿ, the principals of different schools and colleges, my dear young brothers and sisters. All of you know that we have two national festivals. One is the Independence Day, another one is the Republic Day, and also we have a state festival, Kannada Rajyotsav. I am happy that even in this extreme cold situation in the open auditorium, all of you are here. I congratulate you. And I wish and I extend abhinandans to all of you on this occasion. And I have been allotted 4 minutes left over now to tell something about this Republic Day celebration. Friends, this is the day where our constitution has been given in executive effect and the power 75 years back. It is our bounden duty and responsibility to see that all of us follow our constitution. Without following a constitution, it is something like doing our life activities without SOP, standard operative procedure. Constitution provides us rights, duties, responsibilities. But we only seek and demand for our rights and demand it, but we forget our duties and responsibilities. Today, some of the politicians hold a duplicate constitutional, red book, bounded book in their hand and talk about the constitutional violation. Friends, remember that these are the people who violated more than 79 times the constitution. Nonsense people preach, others to follow, and they violate. Please boycott such people. Keep it in your mind. Such people to fool people and to deceive people. But we are the people who are following the constitution. The common citizens are following for the sake of vote bank. Those who have violated constitution several times and they talk about it. Friends, today we have a champion and the leader, Sanmanya Narendra Modi ji. Not even once he violated the constitution. Let us give a big applause. Talking is different, following is different. Great people follow what they talk. That is the difference of the people. Friends, all of you know that this country was declared emergency. You are all probably very little children, or some of you are born later to emergency. I was also put behind bars. Our chief guest today, Gangadharan ji, he was in the jail. Forget about all top leaders. Even the people who are contributing little at their capacity were also arrested. And was it not the violation of the constitution? It was violation of constitution. And people's mouth was shut. And people's rights were taken away. This is how the constitution was abused, constitution was violated. But today all of us should take a oath here that we will not allow anybody to deceive us. We will not allow anybody to take away our rights, at the same time responsibilities and duties. If that type of commitment is rooted in our heart, the democracy will continue to survive in this country, whether it survives in America, England or other places. Today it has become a fashion to disrespect the majority community in this country. Remember, the root of this country is our Sanatana Dharma. Dharmo rakshati rakshitaha. If you do not respect your dharma, if you do not follow your dharma, nobody will respect.
ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಸ್ವರ್ಗಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಡು ಏಳಲೇಳಲೇಳಲೇಳಲಿ. ಆ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಸ್ವರ್ಗಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಡು ಏಳಲೇಳಲೇಳಲೇಳಲಿ. The preamble of our constitution originally it was sovereign democratic republic. सरल संस्कृत भाषया विषयं निरूपयितुम् अहं सभासदानाम् अनुमतिं याचे. सर्वतंत्र स्वतंत्र गणराज्यम् इति गणराज्यम्, it was essentially the real core of Indian society from the time immemorial. अस्माकं कृतयुगीन सप्तऋषीणां कालतः अस्माकं देशः सर्वतंत्र स्वतंत्र गणराज्यम्. अतः प्रतिदिनं मंगल आरति काले वयं पठामः साम्राज्यं भौज्यं राज्यं स्वराज्यं आधिपत्यमयं समन्तपर्यायी स्यात् पृथ्वी समुद्र पर्यन्ताया एकराट. This is our proclamation, clarion call. Based on this Atharva Veda mantra, our preamble was structured Sarvatantra Swatantra Ganarajyam. It was polluted. How it is polluted? After it is that darkest day of declaration of emergency. So too disqualifying words were added. Not qualifying, disqualifying words. Secular and socialistic. That committee was headed by Swarna Singh, a minister of Indira Gandhi's cabinet. That was the darkest day of independent India. भारत राष्ट्रस्य अंधं तमः तमसः नूतन दारुण अध्यायः तस्मिन् दिने आरब्धः. यदा शीर्षिकायां पदद्वयं योजितं सेक्युलर एंड सोशलिस्टिक. कराल कालः देशस्य. हम आजादी आजादी शब्द का प्रयोग करते हैं, ऐलान करते हैं. आजादी का शब्द क्या है संस्कृत में? स्वतंत्र. तंत्र यानी उपाय. आज ये उपाय हम प्रयोग में ला रहे हैं, इसमें उपाय से भी ज्यादा अपाय है. उपाय से भी ज्यादा क्या है? अपाय है. इसलिए इतने सालों तक हम अंधकार के युग में रहे. अब अमृत काल आ गया. अमृत काल का आगमन हुआ है. इस अमृत काल में हमको आगे बढ़ना है. भारत राष्ट्र को आर्थिक दृष्टि से उन्नत स्थान में विराजित करना है। सर्व क्षेत्रों में आर्थिक, सामाजिक, शैक्षिक, वैज्ञानिक, औद्यमिक, कृषि सभी क्षेत्रों में हमको जगन मान्यता प्राप्त करना है। इस मार्ग से आगे बढ़ते बढ़ते हमको जो पूर्व काल में था, हम विश्वगुरु थे। एतद् देश प्रसूतस्य सकाशाद अग्रजन्मनः स्वं स्वं चरित्रम शिक्षेरन् पृथिव्याम सर्वमानवा। योग के द्वारा हमने ऐसा किया है। जब जून 27 विश्व योग दिन का आचरण देश के, प्रपंच के 100 से भी अधिक राष्ट्रों में इसका आचरण हुआ और बढ़ता ही रहा। इसलिए योग और याग और नूतन प्रयोग, ज्ञान और विज्ञान, संज्ञान, आज्ञान, इसके द्वारा हम अभी भी विश्वगुरु है। हम विश्वगुरु थे, हम विश्वगुरु है, हम विश्वगुरु बनते ही रहेंगे, बन के ही रहेंगे। विश्व गुरुत्व को प्रस्थापित करने के लिए हम प्रतिज्ञा स्वीकार करेंगे। इस दिन का महत्व रखेंगे। भारतीय गणतंत्र, स्वतंत्र स्वतंत्र गणराज्य का आज का जो दिन है, इसका महत्व इतना समझकर हमको आगे बढ़ना है। जियाद गिरवाण भारती, जियाद गिरवाण भारती, जियाद गिरवाण भारती। संस्कृत को ही हम राष्ट्रभाषा लाना है। उस समय में यह विचार आया था, किंतु कुछ कारणों से, राजनीतिक कारणों से नहीं हुआ। हम संस्कृत को भी राष्ट्रभाषा बना के ही इस देश को विश्व गुरु बना के हम विश्व के उदात्त उन्नत स्थान में विराजेंगे। भारत माता की जय।
Thank you, Acharya ji, for your enlightening words. And now, it's time for a glimpse of youth power. Please welcome a student of MSc first year, Durgesh, to share his thoughts in Hindi, our mother tongue.
मिट गए मिस्र यूनान और रोमा, मिट गए मिस्र यूनान और रोमा, लेकिन कायम है अब तक नामो निशान हमारा। कुछ बात है कि हस्ती मिटती नहीं हमारी, सदियों रहा है दुश्मन दौरे जहां हमारा। Respected Guruji, respected Chancellor Sir, and all other dignitaries present here, today I am here to share my thoughts on the देश भक्ति। आज का यह दिन उन सभी वीर शहीदों को, उन सभी महान हस्तियों को याद करने का है, जिन्होंने हंसते हंसते हमारे सुनहरे भविष्य को देखने के लिए फांसी के फंदे पर झूल गए। आज का यह दिन उन सभी को याद करने का है जिन्होंने 26 जनवरी, जिनकी वजह से 26 जनवरी 1950 को भारत का संविधान स्वतंत्रता पूर्वक हम सभी लागू कर पाए, जिनके कारण ये भारत आजाद दिखाई देता है, जिनके कारण ये भारत आजाद दिखाई देता है। अमर तिरंगा उन बेटों की याद दिखाई देता है, उनका नाम जुबा पर लो तो पलकों को झपका लेना, उनकी यादों के पत्थर पर 2 आंसू टपका लेना, उनकी यादों के पत्थर पर 2 आंसू टपका देना। आज समय आ गया है सुभाष चंद्र बोस और सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल की देशभक्ति की ज्वाला को जागृत करने का, उसको प्रकट करने का। देशभक्ति क्या है? देशभक्ति वो है जब हम अपनी मातृभूमि के लिए, उसकी प्रगति और उन्नति के लिए समर्पण भाव से अपना तन मन और सब धन समर्पित कर दें। देश हमें देता है सब कुछ, देश हमें देता है सब कुछ, हम भी तो कुछ देना सीखें। जो भरा नहीं है भावों से, बहती जिसमें रसधार नहीं, वह हृदय नहीं पत्थर है जिसमें स्वदेश का प्यार नहीं, जिसमें स्वदेश का प्यार नहीं। मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए। मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए की भावना है देशभक्ति। इसीलिए खड़े हो जाओ अपने राष्ट्र के लिए पूरे समर्पण भाव से, निस्वार्थ भाव से, समर्पण भाव से, और संभालो अपने बिखरते भारत को और पुनः प्रतिष्ठित करो अपनी सनातन संस्कृति को, भारतीय संस्कृति को। आप सभी स्वयं को साधारण न समझे। भारत का भविष्य तुम्हारे कंधों पर अवलंबित है। आने वाले अंबानी भी आप हैं और अडानी भी। आने वाली द्रौपदी मुर्मू भी आप हैं और सुषमा स्वराज भी। मोदी भी आप हैं और योगी भी। और यदि देश पर संकट आया तो हम सभी को रानी लक्ष्मीबाई और छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज बनने में भी पीछे नहीं रहना चाहिए। बोले शिवाजी महाराज की। एवरीबॉडी रेज योर बोथ हैंड्स। एवरीबॉडी प्लीज रिपीट आफ्टर मी। अन्न जहां का हमने खाया, अन्न जहां का हमने खाया, वस्त्र जहां के हमने पहने, वस्त्र जहां के हमने पहने, नीर जहां का हमने पिया, नीर जहां का हमने पिया, वो है देश प्यारा हमारा, वो है प्यारा देश हमारा। इसकी रक्षा कौन करेगा? इसकी रक्षा कौन करेगा? हम करेंगे, हम करेंगे, हम करेंगे। इसकी रक्षा कौन करेगा? इसकी रक्षा कौन करेगा? अंत में कुछ पंक्तियों के साथ अपनी वाणी को विराम दूंगा। यह परम पवन अनुकूल देख, यह देख भुजा का बल अथाह। यह परम पवन अनुकूल देख, यह देख भुजा का बल अथाह। तू चले बेड़ या तोड़ कहीं, रोकेगा आकर कौन राह। डगमग धरणी पर दमित तेज, सागर पारे सा उठे डोल। उठ जाग समय अब शेष नहीं, भारत माँ के शार्दूल बोल। भारत माता की।
Wonderful. Such powerful words from a young mind. Truly inspiring. Now, it's my honor to invite our esteemed chief guest, Dr. B.N. Gangadhar, Chairman of the National Medical Commission, to address us. But before we hear his inspiring words, may we please request our dignitaries to honor him and felicitate him.
Respected Professor Subramaniam ji, Dr. Ramchandra Bhatt ji, Dr. Ramakrishna ji, all the dignitaries on the dais, brothers and sisters. It's a very emotional and a momentous day. We are here to celebrate the 76th Republic Day, 26th of January. On this day, we accepted to abide by a constitution. Although we elected our government, we send representatives calling ourselves democratic,
to rule us, but they are all told that you should rule us within the framework of this constitution. So the constitution ensures that there are no vagaries, no variations very widely that happen between those elected bodies whom we send to govern us. Constitution is a great protective factor in our society that ensures all of us enjoy our rights. At the same time, we are asked to be working within the framework of some rules. Having said this acceptance of a constitution and earlier to that, the freedom did not come without any contributions. We are all told that great leaders who fought for the freedom, very many names were mentioned, starting from Subhash Chandra Bose ji, Mahatma Gandhi ji, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. That list is endless. You can have Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Shukdev, Ashfaqullah Khan, Chandrasekhar Azad, Swatantra Veera Savarkar. He also mentioned Shivaji. So the list is endless. We remember them for their patriotism, to make sure that we also live up to their standards. All of us take a resolution, we resolve today that we all emulate them and contribute our might to this country. But I want to mention a few anecdote patriotic examples from people who are not associated commonly with the freedom struggle. People who have contributed extraordinarily either in science or in spirituality, or many ordinary people have bestowed extraordinary examples of how we can be patriotic. I will mention two examples, one from a scientific leader and one from a spiritual leader, and a couple of examples from ordinary people who demonstrated that we can be patriotic and still remain unseen in that group of patriotic or freedom struggle people. We have heard of Sir C.V. Raman. Sir C.V. Raman is known for his Nobel Prize, the first one to receive Nobel Prize from our country, but our country at that time was under the British. He goes to receive the Nobel Prize. One after the other, people are called to come to the stage and get the Nobel Prize. You know that Nobel Prize is given to different people, the peace, the literature, science, biology, medicine, or whatever you want to call it, physics, chemistry, etc., etc. When each person goes, he comes back, he receives the award, comes back and sits. All the other co-Nobel Prize winners congratulate this person, it goes on. Sir C.V. Raman also goes there, the award is given, he comes back and sits. His eyes are full of tears. He is weeping. He is in low mood. A neighboring scientist who also had received another Nobel Prize tells him, "Why are you crying? Why are you weeping? You should be celebrating." Sir C.V. Raman then tells a statement which should open our eyes into how to remember to be patriotic even at that time. When we are at the highest honor being felicitated, to be rejoicing, he still remembered that component of patriotism. He told this neighboring scientist, "Look, whenever you all went, your country's national anthem was played. Your country's flag went up. I go to receive the Nobel Prize, my country's national anthem was not played, and my country's flag did not go. What was played was the British national anthem. What was played was the British flag which went up, and for both these things, people are fighting in my country to bring these two down. I made this come up. I am feeling so sad. Imagine a person who receives the highest scientific award in the world. At that time also, instead of rejoicing, he remembered this event, that whereas my co-citizens, co-fellows, co-patriotics in this country are fighting against this, my contribution led to this going up. Sir C.V. Raman, he is not known in the circles of those freedom struggle people though. Of course, there are several other examples of Sir C.V. Raman I don't want to bring in here. Now, of course, we have heard Swami Vivekananda, known for his spiritual contribution. Of course, to this audience, I don't have to mention what it is, but patriotism again to be learnt from him. He returns after this international tour. He is being received at the shore by the king. Swamiji steps down from the ship, starts coming down. There is a red carpet, not the green carpet though. The red carpet is there to receive him. He comes out, he goes to the sand, start putting the sand on his head. Everybody is wondered what happened to Swamiji. So Swamiji said, while I left this country, I loved this land. Now I have seen the world, and I know what it is, and I know what is this country, Bharat. When I come back, it is not merely love, I worship this land. So at every stage, people of that stature reminded us to be patriotic. Now, of course, a few examples of some smaller people who are ordinary people in the society who can demonstrate that we can be pro-society, pro-country, and remind ourselves to be always patriotic. Independence Day celebration, independence freedom struggle was going on. There was in Bangalore, this is an anecdote told to me by many people, who was printing pamphlets to be circulated for people to fight against the British rule. And he otherwise would print marriage cards, birthday cards, and so on and so forth. And that used to be old time machine. He has to keep rotating that wheel, and that print keeps coming out. Old machines. And he used to do that whenever it was a marriage card he has to print, or a birthday card he has to print, etc., etc. In each role, he used to pray God that this person getting married should have a good life. So he would do that. This was in Telugu. I cannot use that anecdote in Telugu language though. Each time he would do that, this card will come out, and he would say, let God bless them. It goes on and goes on. During the Independence Day fighting, or during the freedom struggle fighting, he had to print those pamphlets to fight against the British. At that time, he chose not to do this. There was an older machine which he had to get the print out each time by stamping the pedal. Each time he stamped the pedal, he used to say the British should be stamped. British should be leaving the country. With that vengeance, he used to print that card. Card means that pamphlet or whatever you want to call it. So an ordinary person can also ignite patriotic struggle, freedom struggle in his mind. Very recently also we see many such anecdotes. Orissa cyclone happened. Some of us were going to collect contributions to those cyclone hurt people. A press person was also coming behind us. Ordinary flower vendor in the roadside gave us some 5 rupees or something like that. The press person came to that lady, asked her, why did you give? No, these people are collecting money for some people who are in cyclone hurt area.
he thought this lady would not know that Orissa or that Bhubaneswar where the cyclone happened, and she is in Bangalore. He asked her this question, "Arey Baba, this did not happen in your land. Do you know where this happened?" "I don't know where this happened." "Why are you giving this?" So that lady said, "I may not know where it happened, but it happened in my country. In my country, everybody should be safe. I am contributing." So we can learn from many, many such examples, remind ourselves that on this day, whether it is Independence Day celebration, 15th of August or 26th of January, the Republic Day, we resolve ourselves to continue to remain devoted to this country, that every contribution from us goes to the welfare of this country and this society, and we eternally dedicate ourselves to this land. If we do this, perhaps what we are doing today brings the value to the celebration of the Republic Day. Jai Hind, Bharat Mata ki.
Thank you, sir, for your invaluable insights. Time for another delightful musical retreat. Let's welcome our students once again for a second patriotic song. And yes, feel free to hum along.
जननी जन्मभूमि ओ जननी जन्मभूमि जननी जन्मभूमि ओ जननी जन्मभूमि भारति निन्नय अडिगळिगे कोडमडुवे नाडिगळिगे भारति निन्नय अडिगळिगे कोडमडुवे जननी जन्मभूमि ओ जननी जन्मभूमि जननी जन्मभूमि ओ जननी जन्मभूमि जन्म जन्मद पुण्यद फलवु करुणೆಯ ತೋರಿದ ಒಲವಿನ ಬಲವು ಬಂದಿಹೆದರಿಗೆ ನಿನ್ನೊಡಲೊಳಗೆ ಕೋಟಿ ಕೋಟಿ ಜನ ಸೋದರರೆನಗೆ ಕೋಟಿ ಕೋಟಿ ಜನ ಸೋದರರೆನಗೆ ಜನನಿ ಜನ್ಮಭೂಮಿ ಓ ಜನನಿ ಜನ್ಮಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಿಮಾಚಲ ಕಾಲಡಿ ಕಡಲು ಬಂಗಾರದ ನಿಧಿ ತುಂಬಿದೆ ಒಡಲು ಶ್ರೀಗಂಧದ ಸೌಗಂಧವ ಮಂಬ ಏನೆಂಬೆನು ನೀ ಸ್ವರ್ಗದ ಬಿಂಬ ಏನೆಂಬೆನು ನೀ ಸ್ವರ್ಗದ ಬಿಂಬ ಜನನಿ ಜನ್ಮಭೂಮಿ ಓ ಜನನಿ ಜನ್ಮಭೂಮಿ ಉಜ್ವಲ ಕಲೆಗಳ ಸುಂಗಳ ನಾಡು ಕೆಚ್ಚದೆ ಕಲಿಗಳ ಸಾಹಸ ಬೀಡು ಶಂಕರ ಬಸವ ವಿವೇಕರ ನೆಲವು ಶಂಕರ ಬಸವ ವಿವೇಕರ ನೆಲವು ಪಾವನವು ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಫಲವು ಪಾವನವು ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಫಲವು ಜನನಿ ಜನ್ಮಭೂಮಿ ಓ ಜನನಿ ಜನ್ಮಭೂಮಿ ಸಾವಿರ ಜನ್ಮವು ಬಂದರೆ ಬರಲಿ ತಾಯೇ ನಿನ್ನಯ ಮಡಿಲನಗಿರಲಿ ನಿನ್ನಲೆ ಜನನ ನಿನ್ನಲೆ ಮರಣ ಎನ್ನಯ ಜೀವನ ನಿನಗೆ ಶರಣ ಎನ್ನಯ ಜೀವನ ನಿನಗೆ ಶರಣ ಜನನಿ ಜನ್ಮಭೂಮಿ ಓ ಜನನಿ ಜನ್ಮಭೂಮಿ ಜನನಿ ಜನ್ಮಭೂಮಿ జన్మభూమి.
Absolutely mesmerizing. Thank you for lifting our spirits with your melodious voices. Now, let us receive the blessings of Honorable Professor Subramanian Ji, Chancellor of S. Vyasa. So we eagerly await your words of wisdom.
Esteemed friends, this is the most vibrant celebration of the Republic Day that I have ever seen. Most vibrant, most indulgent. All of us are very jubilant today. Dr. Gangadhar ji, Sri Ramachandra Bhatt, Sri Ramakrishna and our Sridhar ji, stalwart speakers, always sought in all the places for this function. They have made it a point to be present here to embellish this particular function. I am grateful to them all. Dr. Gangadhar made a mention about Swami Vivekananda. On the 26th of January 1897, he came from the west, landed at Rameshwaram in South India. The big ship stopped at a distance from the shore. From the ship to the sand, he came by a boat. He stood up on the edge of the boat. King of Ramanathapuram was waiting to have the feet of Vivekananda on his head. Right from the boat, he put his head on the floor first. He did not keep his feet on the sand. As Gangadhar ji has said, he started taking sand and pouring it over on his head. His friends asked, Swamiji, you are behaving like a madman. You are behaving like an eccentric person. It is after all sand. You are keeping it on your head. Swamiji said, every sand particle of this country is sacred. I worship my mother. And then he made the first speech at Rameshwaram. This day, 26th, will be a historic day in India. A prophetic utterance, an utterance of the great sage, a great devotee, a great karma yogi, a great humanist. 26th January, as he said, has become the Republic Day. And at Rameshwaram he delivered a beautiful speech in which there are 2 points. Number 1, from today onwards, my Indian friends, please see that Bharata Mata is our goddess. If you worship her, if you serve her, if you devote your life for her rejuvenation and the renaissance, 50 years from today you will get independence. 1897 he said it. 1947 we got independence. And then he said, my friends, we have 2 works. Number 1, demolition of slavish hut. 2, construction of democratic fort. Remember the 2 beautiful sentences. Demolition of the slavish hut and construction of a democratic fort. And he gave the responsibility, prophetic words. 1947 we got independence, and 26th of January has become the Republic Day. Now, a little history. Gandhiji and the freedom fighters went to Winston Churchill. Churchill was the Prime Minister of England. Gandhiji and others requested, we demand independence. Churchill said, no, I won't declare independence to your country. Why? Gandhiji asked. He said, you are all slaves for thousands of years. That slavish mentality is in you. Therefore, you are like a sheep. He also said, when once the slave gets the power, you become corrupt. You are slaves, you are like a sheep, and you will become corrupt, and you don't have discipline at all. Vivekananda, when he was addressing large gatherings in America, somebody asked, you are so intelligent, how is it you did not conquer the world? We do conquer the world with spirituality. You have other conquests. What is the reason for that? Swami Vivekananda said, you are all not intelligent, you Americans. We people are very intelligent, but still we have only one thing deficient in us, and that is we don't have discipline, you have discipline. With discipline you can do wonders. Without discipline you are nothing. And that is to be re-established. When you build the democracy, if you build it on the firm foundation of discipline, everything will be wonderfully built. As the Chancellor, now I have taken the responsibility. I am trying to follow the footprints of Swami Vivekananda. You might have seen my agenda is decentralization and empowerment. For the first time you have seen our colleagues on the stage. For the first time you have seen and our boys and girls in their beautiful colors, handsome boys, beautiful girls in their attractive dresses to offer their everything at the feet of the Bharata Mata. And for the first time, a boy has been given the opportunity to speak patriotically fervor, giving the whole thing for the audience. This is the first step. We will try to have the empowerment. We will try to have the decentralization. Let everything be done democratically for the glory of this country. Full freedom our registrar has, our deputy registrar has. We have not interfered with the arrangements. When once you give full freedom and power, everybody will become a lion. Each Indian is a Simham. Each Indian is a lion, and our India will be once again shining. If only we have the freedom, let Bharata Mata be happy looking at so many lions and lionesses. Hari Om Tat Sat. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Maruta Prakampamanam Uchaihi Virajamanam Ruchiram Trivarna Kantam Rashtradhvajam Aham Namami. Bharat Mata Ki. I would like to begin my vote of thanks with the pranams to Rashtra and Rashtradhvaja. My dear friends, the weight of the earth has been bared by Adishesha according to mythology. The weight of the university and weight of this function also bared by our Adishesha, Sri Subramaniamji, Honorable Chancellor. I thank Adaraniya Subramaniamji for his inspirational speech for all of us. Thank you so much, sir. Today, the talk of the town, from local media to global media, is Kumbh Mela. The source of Kumbh Mela is Triveni Sangama, Mata Ganga. The source of Ganga is Gangadhara. Today's source of our chief guest, source of function is our Gangadharji. We thank you, sir, for your coming and giving time on behalf of Visvasa University. One more source for all of us is Ayodhya. The source of Ayodhya is Sri Ramachandra. We have inspirational speech by Sri Ramachandra Bhattji. We thank you, sir, for your coming and inspirational speech. Wherever Rama comes in Treta Yuga, will be followed by Dwapara Yuga. Sri Rama will be followed by Sri Krishna. We have Sri Ramakrishna. Sri Ramakrishna ji. Krishna is always unorthodox, out-of-box thinking. So he began his speech with out-of-box, with clapping all of us. Thank you so much, sir, for your thinking. Sri Dhara, who is having the Sri, the Gnana Sampattu of all of university, and himself is our Sridhar sir, who has given wonderful welcome speech. Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiration for all of us. And this function is beautiful and true. Satyam, Shivam, Sundaram, it's because of our Shivam, Professor Shiv Shankar Sai ji, who organized this function very well. Thanks to not only for him, for all his Gana, Kiran ji, and our maintenance team, Narendra ji, all who are all behind this function, including the student union of School of Yoga, and very well the anchoring, MC, all the student union team. So we thank all the student union. Republic is incomplete or is not possible without the public. Today, public is here, so we can able to celebrate Republic Day. Public has two inspiration. Because of that you are here today. One is leader of public. So all students and faculty, the special public, as told by our Subramaniam ji, beautiful and attractive. It's because of the initiation and inspiration by the leaders like principals, all principals of all the schools, and director of code and head of examination, all are here. We thank you for you. And also one more inspiration is patriotism. So because of that patriotism, all of you are here. So we thank you so much for hearing. And some students are very extra blessed who are sitting in the right side. Supply of free vitamin D. But unfortunately they denied and they gone away from here. Thank you so much for your patience sitting in the, enjoying the sunlight also. And we have a Triveni Sangama in between, in the form of two patriotic songs, and one is Prabha of our Durgesh. 3 Sangama happened. We thank you, all of you, for sitting and giving beautiful songs and speech. So I thank our supportive team, Mike, roaming here and there with efforts, and Pendal, our electric people, everyone. So I thank whole and everybody for assembling, making this function the grand success. Before going to the next step, so 2 announcements. All faculty will be having group photo here, just after the Vande Mataram. All faculty of all the schools, so I invite after that. And we have a sweet distribution of Republic Day. So it will be given at the entrance of the gate here. So all of you should take it in a disciplined way, exhibit your patriotism there also by making queue and everything. Thank you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for expressing your gratitude so eloquently. And with that, we come to an end to this beautiful celebration. Let's carry the spirit of today in our hearts and strive to make our nation proud. Happy Republic Day once again. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind. We can, for the Vande Mataram. Everybody, please, I request you all to stand. Let's prepare ourselves for the Vande Mataram.
Vande
Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam Sufalam, Malayaj Sheetalam, Sasya Shamalam,
सुमधुर भाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं
वन्दे मातरम्। बोलो भारत माता की
जय
वन्दे
मातरम।